Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to manage your friend requests on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Discord is primarily uh, intended for gaming and niche interest group. Since it was originally built for gamers, and you still find a lot of communities dedicated to gaming on the platform. During the pandemic, Discord expanded its reach in an effort to appeal to more than just gamers, and the platform has grown into a space where the conversation reached far outside of gaming territory into music, culture, politics, art, finance, and weirdo AI art. On my previous video, I show you how to create Discord account, how to manage your Discord account, and another tutorial. And what if you want to manage your friend requests on Discord? It's very simple. First of all, first we have to open our Discord. From here, you can go to settings, so you can select on the gear icon in here. You can go to content and social. Select on content and social. You can scroll down until you find there is an option of friend request. So by default, your friend request is allowed for everyone, friend of friends, server members. But if you don't want anyone can send you friend requests, you can just turn off all this feature for everyone, friend of friends, and server members. But if you want to allow friend requests for your friends of friends, you can enable the toggle friend of friends. Or if you only want to accept friend requests from server members, you can just select on server members. It's very simple, right? So that is how to manage your friend requests on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.